Hello everyone, it's Dave. Today's video is a little bit different. Today I'm doing a Dollarama Easter haul. Now, if you don't know what Dollarama is, it is a dollar store plus. So everything in this store is $1 and above. And it is located here in Canada. I'm not sure if the Dollarama is in the States or not, but with me talking with some friends that are in the States, they don't have it there. So I thought I would share with you my little Easter haul because when I walked in the other day, I just loaded my basket because I was so excited. So the first thing I have here is these little chalkboard eggs for decoration. So there's 12 of them. They come in this cute little carton, and there's different colors. There's pinks, greens, yellows, all pale colors, really beautiful. And this cute little bunny. As soon as I saw him, I just threw in my basket right away. I couldn't resist. He's just a white little bunny. He was $4, and he comes with a pink bow, and he's just white all the way around. And I have to tell you, he is so soft. I love him. And I got these cute little carrots. So just glitter carrots. Kind of, I figured I'm going to use them in a wreath somewhere. Don't know where yet. And of course, I'm hugely excited because they have 6-inch deco mesh. And it's $1.25. I'm going to verify that it is 6 inches because I believe they said this was 8 feet or something like that. You know what? I have to verify, and then I'll put everything in the description below as well, prices and dimensions. So, of course, they had blues, greens, lavenders, yellows, pinks, whites. I just grabbed a whole bunch. So let's jump to bag number 2. And I got these really neat, shiny, what do you call them? Fillable eggs. That's what they're called. They were only $1.25. There was 8 of them. I really liked the color of these, and I thought, you know what? I can use them in a wreath or table decoration somewhere. And then they have the deco mesh tubing. It was only $1.25. I got it in the blue. They did have it in the purple and the pink at the store that I went to as well. And of course, I loaded up more deco mesh because wreath makers never have enough deco mesh. Am I right? And I love, love, love using the 6-inch deco mesh. Of course, I found this sign, which I thought was really neat. I liked it. You can just hang it up on the door by itself if you want. It was two something, I think 250. Again, I'll put all the pricing and dimensions down in the description box later on when I'm finished with the video. But I just love this sign. I may make a wreath out of it. And of course, some ribbon, nice Easter colors, those pale blues, and I got some egg ribbon as well. Bag number 3, here we go. More eggs, surprise, surprise. These ones I really liked. They were like a pastel-y color, simple pattern, they were a good size, and they're like little ornaments. So if you do an Easter tree, those would be perfect for it. These were amazing. They are snowballs. I found these, believe it or not, in the tool section. There's 3 of them, and they're like big cotton balls. I thought I could totally use that for a bunny tail. Don't know where I'm going to use it, but I'll figure it out somewhere. And I have more of that really awesome glittery ribbon. I can't wait to try out that ribbon on my wreaths. I think it's going to look fantastic. These little bunny ear headband. This was $1.50. I had to buy it because I had this idea in my head for a wreath. And then, of course, deco mesh, deco mesh, deco mesh, and more deco mesh. Yes, I was a little bit excited, and I loaded up my cart with all this deco mesh. I couldn't resist. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this Easter haul. It's my first haul video, and I'm so excited to show you guys. And I can't wait to start making all my wreaths with everything here. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for all those crafts and wreaths coming up. Bye for now.